Hey guys, welcome to DIY Crafts. In this video, I am going to show you how to crochet these cute carrot appliques. So let's get started. For this I am using acrylic 4-ply yarn and a crochet hook of size 3 mm. However, you can use your favorite yarn along with its suitable hook size. Now let's begin by making a slip knot and make a foundation chain of chain 10. That's chain 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now this forms the base of a carrot. Now let's begin by making the row 1. For this, begin with chain 3 and now from the 4th chain from the hook, that is the 10th chain in the foundation chain, we are going to make 2 double crochet stitches. That's the first double crochet stitch in your 10th chain and one more double crochet stitch into the same stitch. Consider the first chain 3 as a double stitch, which means we have 3 stitches in the 10th chain. Now into the next 2 stitches make 1 double crochet stitch in each stitch. So that's the first double crochet stitch and then we have 1 more double crochet stitch in the next stitch. Maintain a little tighter tension to have less gaps in your pattern. Now into the next 2 stitches make half double crochet stitches. That's the first half double crochet stitch and then the second half double stitch. Now into the next 4 stitches make 1 single crochet stitch in each stitch. That's the second one, 3 and the 4th single stitch. Now we will be left with only 1 stitch and into that stitch make 1 slip stitch. Now turn your work around and leave the last stitch. Now continue to make 4 single crochet stitches from the second stitch by leaving the last one. So this gives you the tip of the carrot which is needed shape. Then we have the second single stitch, third one and then the 4th one. Now into the next 2 stitches we have half double crochet stitches. That's the first HDC and then the second HDC. So you can see the shape of the carrot, and if you are maintaining the tighter tension for the base of the foundation chain, then you will have a tighter stitches. Now we have done 2 double crochet stitches in the next 2 stitches. Now finally we have reached the 10th stitch of the foundation chain. Into that stitch make 3 double crochet stitches. That's the second one and finally the third one into the same stitch. I just separated the loops so it will have less gaps. Now make a slip stitch onto the top of the 3rd chain of our first stitch in row 2, row 1. Now this completes the base of the carrot. Now chain 1 and trim the excess thread by leaving a small tail end. Fasten off, and now we are going to work the carrot greens. And for this I am going to take the green color acrylic yarn of 4-ply and insert it at the last but 1 stitch of your row 1. Here we have a slip knot at the next stitch. So behind stitch we have to insert the green thread. Now make chain 6. This forms the first carrot green. And now into the last stitch of the previous row make a slip stitch. Again make chain 6 and then slip stitch into the next stitch. And finally make 1 more chain 6 and then again make a slip stitch into the next stitch. Now make a chain 1 and trim the excess thread by leaving a small tail end. Now weave in all the tail ends and trim the excess threads. And that's it. Your cute carrot appliques are ready. You can use them as an appliques for your crochet projects like sweater, beanies and handbag charms. or you can even use them as a kids accessories by attaching them to the clips and all. I hope you all enjoyed watching this tutorial. Do give this pattern a try and let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. See you all in the next video.
Thank you for watching. Please like the video, share it and subscribe to DIY Crafts.